Said
I
of
don't know. I
50
haven't been in the
crunches.
gym
I thought you said 50
in
lunches and
forever.
licked my lips and patted my belly.
Exercise. I thought you said skin infant babies alive. It's more wacky to
It's
There's
dude,
minion
that's
posting.
actually the best joke of 2025.
Everybody's saying this.
Yeah, dude, I think the most I ever fucking benched was like 70 or something. Like a pathetically low number. Yeah.
Damn, I hate having hiccups.
Yeah, it's the fucking worst. When I was in Italy in 2019, we were getting a fucking tour of the Colosseum, and there was this asshole who just kept hiccuping the whole fucking time.
Yeah,
It was really,
wow, what a
yeah,
prick.
yeah, what a fucking douchebag. Fucking just don't go on. Just cancel your Colosseum tour, dude.
Yeah,
You know,
honestly,
don't
just fly
fucking
home at that.
yeah,
You
fly
fucking
home, buddy.
inconsiderate asshole.
Yeah,
You should have dueled him.
yeah. It's like people get like hiccups in a movie theater or something. You know. It's so
Yeah.
annoying because it's like I don't want to hold it against you because I know you can't control it, but you can control putting a gun to your fucking head and killing yourself. For our sake, you
Yeah,
know,
exactly.
for the rest of us, fucking, you know, good Americans.
The good of society, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I do know how you cure hiccups. Is you put water, you like
You close
hold
your
the
eyes
water
and
in
you
your
think
mouth,
really hard
and
about
you-
how much you want them to go away,
yeah,
and it just works.
Close your
It
eyes,
works.
pour water on
Using
your
the
Just
powers
like,
of positive visualization.
yeah. Just like Israel.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you like hold the water in your mouth and you swing your head down between your knees, and that cures it.
And you suck your own dick,
Yeah,
and that'll
you suck
fucking
your
do
water
it.
is
Yeah.
lubrication.
Fucking water as lube. That's such a fucking terrible idea. That's such a fucking bad idea. Guys, any gay sex havers in the call right now should be advised to not fucking use water as lube.
Use boogers instead. Lol.
Use boogers.
Yeah.
Yeah, we use fucking boiling water as lube because it kills germs.
Yeah. We use fucking swamp water.
Yeah.
Pure, unfiltered, raw fucking sewage as lube.
Oh, fucking ran out of lube. Gotta wait till it rains again outside. That was how they did it back in the fucking caveman days. You had to be careful
Yeah.
fucking laughing too hard because if you fucking you hit a hiccup at the same time as like a big laugh and you're gonna actually fucking cause your lungs to collapse, bro.
Yeah.
Or some
Yeah,
shit. That's
I'll
always
turn inside out, dude. I'll turn into a
Yeah. There is
Yeah,
no
this
such
is
thing
the
as
one, dude.
hiccups. You're fucking faking it for attention.
Yeah.
You okay, you flipping got me.
Yeah, he's gonna do that.
Alright, let's
fucking-
play football.
Yeah. Dudes be like, let's play football. Yeah, let's look at some boobs too and drink some beer. Sorry, the
This
fucking
fucking
demon
wretched
came out
curse.
for a second.
Yeah.